Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. I am Aditya and in this video we'll be reviewing the latest Samsung Galaxy M31s. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, before going into the full specifications of the phone, let us know about some of the phone's key specs or highlights. So the phone is having a 6000 mAh battery and it is also said to have reverse charging capabilities also. So coming to the camera, it is said that it's going to have a 64MP Intelli-Cam with a quad camera combination. And coming to the display, it is said to have a Super AMOLED screen. And one more main feature of this phone is that it is having a flagship phone feature which is called as single take in its camera. So guys, now let's move on to the full specifications of the phone. So guys, talking about the full specifications, let us begin with the phone's camera. So the phone's camera is a quad camera setup and the main camera is 64MP Sony IMX sensor. And it even has an ultra-wide camera with 123 degrees ultra-wide capture along with a 5 depth sensor camera and 5 macro camera. And guys, one of the special feature of this phone is its flagship feature which is called as single take. So this usually you see it in flagship phones like S20 Ultra, all those flagship phones of Samsung, you find that feature called as single take. So you take a single video and it will give you all photos, videos separated with all filters, boomerang effects. So it's actually a very great feature which we are seeing in this phone. And guys, it even has its own filters. And one more interesting thing about this phone is that it is having the feature of switching camera while recording. So you are recording with your rear camera or back camera, you could switch it to the front camera in between while recording. So that's actually a pretty good feature in the phone. So guys, now let us talk about the phone's battery. So it's having actually a massive battery, as I've told. It's having a 6000 mAh battery and it also comes with a 25-watt fast charger. First time in the M series we are seeing this 25-watt fast charger, and usually you see it in A series, that too in the high-end phones, and S20 Ultra you see a lot of 25-watt start chargers. So this is actually a good feature of this phone, and it even has type C to type C, so the both ends are type C, not like USB A to USB type C. And one more interesting feature of this phone is that guys, it supports reverse charging. That means you can charge from your phone to some other phone, so your phone will be acting as a power bank. And guys, now let us talk about the phone screen. So as I've told you, it is having a Super AMOLED screen with Infinity O display. It has a 20:9 aspect ratio and it has above 91% screen to body ratio. So guys, coming to the processor, there is not much upgrade to this phone. It is same Exynos 9611, and this we are seeing in most of the even A series phones and previous M series phones also. It comes with the same Mali G72 GPU also. And guys, coming to some more additional features of this phone has a fingerprint scanner. It is not in-display fingerprint scanner nor on the rear backside of the phone. Rather, it has a fingerprint scanner on its power button. So first time we are seeing a Samsung phone which has on the side fingerprint scanner. It also supports face unlock. And guys, coming to the SIM cards and also SD card, it supports dual SIM card and then micro SD card which is expandable up to 512 GB. So you can insert a 512 GB SD card, not above than that. Guys, now coming to the phone's aesthetics, it's coming in two variants with two colors, that is My Rage Black and My Rage Blue. And it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And guys, this phone actually has two variants while it's launching. So today on 30th it has launched, and the sale is going on 6th August. And the two variants which are there are 6GB variant and 8GB variant. Both will be having the same storage, that is 128GB. And the price for the 6GB variant is around 19,500 rupees on Amazon, and for the 8GB variant it is 21,500 on Amazon. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any interesting updates like these. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.